National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Cook County in northeast Illinois, eastern DuPage County in northeast Illinois, southeastern Lake County in northeast Illinois, north central Will County in northeast Illinois until 4:45 p.m. At 3:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Romeoville and moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding and trees. Locations impacted include Lyle, Burridge, Downers Grove, Willow Springs, Westmont, Justice, Hinsdale, Glen Ellen, York Center, Oak Brook, LaGrange, Lombard, Summit, Brookfield, Phillip Park.
I expected that one to go off.
Westchester, Riverside, and Elmhurst. This includes the city of Chicago. Other locations affected: Argonne National Laboratory, Benedictine University, Brookfield 2, College of DuPage, Hawthorne Park, Lake Forest College. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Radio KVVA.